Hey guys, what's up? Hi, I'm Minnie and welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing awesome. आज हम लोग जो प्रॉब्लम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं वो हेयर ऑयल की है. Okay. Now hair oil definitely हमें पता है कि it's one of the most important step in your hair care routine, correct? But a lot of times we miss it, okay? And I'm guilty of it too, okay? But what I've actually cracked in so many years is the right hair oil. So even if I'm applying like hair oil twice in a month, I want to ensure that my hair oil is super effective. Okay, मैं randomly कोई hair oil नहीं लगाना चाहती क्योंकि anyways मैं बहुत कम hair oil लगाती हूँ और क्योंकि मैं कम लगाती हूँ तो I want to ensure जो मैं hair oil लगा रही हूँ वो super effective हो. ओके तो अगर आप मेरी तरह हो और आप अच्छा हेयर ऑयल ढूंढ रहे हो और आपको नहीं मिल रहा है तो ये मेरे टॉप रिकमेंडेशन है और मैं रीजन ऐसे बैठी हूँ आपके सामने हेयर ऑयल लगा के just to tell you that I'm very, very real about all my reviews.
बात तो सही है दौड़ना तो पड़ता है.
These are products that I've tried and I've tested for years, much before I started making content. So I'm not doing anything for content's sake, guys.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
But before that, subscribe to my channel for regular updates.
So the first hair oil that I'm going to recommend to you is one of my favorite hair oils. And I've been using it for years now. This is my first recommendation. This is by Kama Ayurveda. It is called Bringadi Thailam. Okay, and reason I love this hair oil is of the ingredients it has and how many problems it solves for your hair. It solves for hair growth. It solves for itchy scalp. It solves for dandruff. It solves for grayness, like the premature graying. It solves for nourishment to your hair. So that's why I kind of really like it. It solves like all my issues at one go. Now, the thing is, if I tell you the ingredients of it, you'll know why I'm saying that it solves all your problem. Is basically, अगर आप इसके ingredients देखोगे, इसमें है Bringadi. Okay, Bringadi आपके actually, if you know a little bit about Ayurveda, then Bringadi basically helps in nourishing your hair and help you grow your hair. The next ingredient that it has is Amla. Now, Amla is basically known as promoting hair growth, inhibits graying, baldness, darkens your hair. So, Amla के multiple benefit हैं and I'm sure आपने सुना भी होगा. Amla is very, very rich in vitamin C also. And Amla powder आपने सुना होगा अपने बालों में लगाने के लिए या Amla powder is used a lot for your hair care. So, it also has Amla in it. It has Bringraj in it. The third ingredient that it has is sesame seeds. Now, sesame seeds, again, आपने सुना होगा sesame oil या sesame seeds. जब भी लोग, you would have seen those videos where people are making Ayurvedic oil at home. They use those sesame seeds, methi seeds, sesame seeds. All these things are used to make your hair oil extremely nourishing. Now, sesame seeds करता क्या है? Sesame seeds actually it helps in premature graying. It moisturizes your hair. आपके hair loss में help करता है. So that's the benefit of sesame seeds. The other ingredient it has is indigo. Now, so indigo क्या करता है? Indigo आपके बालों को naturally black color देने की कोशिश करता है. So जो आपके authentic color है बालों का, that can stay and that can stay for a longer time. So उसका purpose indigo है. Now the ingredients it has is balloon vines. Now balloon vines basically keeps your scalp healthy. It helps in solving that itchiness problem on your scalp. Coconut oil तो हम सबको पता ही है किस लिए यूज होता है. Mulethi is kind licorice powder. Mulethi again is great ingredient for your hair oil. And rosemary, of course, I think it's doing rounds now. Rosemary oils are like a big rage in hair oil right now. So rosemary again helps your hair in your hair growth, in promoting your hair growth. Okay. Now, basically, itne sare benefits hain. And just to kind of sum all of this up, it treats dandruff, it treats dry scalp, it treats baldness, it treats hair growth issues, it treats hair fall issues, and it gives you a glossy sheen. Now, keeping all this in mind, it is a great concoction of great Ayurvedic ingredients, which it is very difficult to find in a lot of hair oil these days, guys. And this is very authentic, very genuine, tried and tested, trust me. And this is something I recommend to all my friends as well. Okay. The only drawback that I would give you of this oil is, let me show you if I can. This is how it looks like, guys. Okay. This is the texture of this oil. Obviously, because इसमें इतने सारे Ayurvedic ingredients हैं, इसलिए obviously it smells a certain way and it's a very strong smell, okay, of those Ayurvedic ingredients. So if you are allergic to the strong smell of Ayurvedic ingredients, then please don't go for it. So it's a very personal choice, guys. I can tolerate the smell. My father can't tolerate the smell, so he doesn't use it, but I can tolerate, so I use it. So it depends. It's a very individual thing. So hence I thought I'll kind of tell it to you in advance. The second hair oil that I'm going to talk about is this one. This is a brand called Ashwaveda and the hair oil is called Kudrat. Okay, let me kind of get close to just show you इसके अंदर कितनी सारी जड़ी बूटियां हैं, इसमें आपको दिख जाएंगी. Okay. And I definitely want to make a separate video on this brand because it's so underrated. Nobody knows about it, but they are amazing when it comes to their products. They are amazing, guys, and very, very, very affordable. Okay. So, and I've tried this, I've tested it. It is very good. It is very, very good. Now, let's quickly come to the ingredients that it has. Okay. Now, it has til oil, which is your tilka seeds. It has coconut oil. It has chandan wood. It has bringraj. It has almond. It has aloe vera. It has amla. So it has haldi. It has methi seeds. It has curry patta. It's lot of great Ayurvedic ingredients, guys. I'm going to put it all here for you so that you know exactly what ingredients it has, and I'm going to kind of give you time to go through it. But all these ingredients are very good. This is like a great find, and I have ordered another bottle on Amazon because obviously छोटे हैं कि वो नायका और टीरा वीरा अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते, तो उन्होंने Amazon पे लिस्ट कर रखा है. And you can also, they have their own website, you can order from there. And if you want me to tell you the store details, I can tell you that as well. So if you want to go to the store and check it out, you can do that. Also, just comment for it. I'll give you the details. Okay, so this is my second recommendation, guys. My third recommendation to you is this one, which is basically by Avimi Herbal. Okay, Avimi Herbal. It's called Keshav Pallav Handmade Hair Oil. And this is 100 ml bottle. If you can see, guys, लेकिन मैंने काफी यूज कर लिया है और ये almost यहाँ तक आ चुका है. Okay, so again I have used this. I basically use it a lot on my husband more than I use it for myself because my husband is facing crazy baldness issue. उसके hair fall बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है. And this is something that I discovered on Shark Tank, guys. So these guys had come on Shark Tank, and they claim to actually regrow your hair in 6 months' time. And I thought it's too good to be true. Okay. And obviously, most men these days are experiencing a lot of baldness and hair loss issue. So my husband really told me that, you need to find me a solution. So I said, okay, let me give this one a try. And I tried it. Okay. And I genuinely tried it for almost 4 months now. I won't say I've tried it for 6 months, 4 months now on him. And he has seen a difference. Now, obviously, I've just started becoming a content creator. So मैंने कोई before after नहीं लिया है. But believe me when I'm saying this, और मुझे कोई शौक नहीं फालतू product promote करने का आपको. It genuinely works. He has seen a difference in his hairline. He started seeing like hair growth यहाँ पे. उसके थोड़ा सा ball patch यहाँ पे होने लग गया था. That has also improved. So I definitely feel this works. Obviously, I'm going to give it like 2 more months. This is the second bottle. So he applies very generously. He applies like, twice or thrice in a week. So hence he's very, very loyal to this one, and he definitely sees a difference. So I definitely wanted to mention about it. Please try them out. I think they're available on all websites like Nykaa, your Tira and Amazon, and I think all websites, Flipkart, everywhere. So you can try them out. It definitely works. Now, as far as the ingredients are concerned, again, it has so many good ingredients like sunflower oil, pumpkin seed, coconut oil, sesame seed, amla oil, bringraj, hibiscus, curry leaf, soya bean, castor oil, macadamia oil, almond oil, cucumber oil. But you can check out their website. You can check out the Insta page. I think they show you how they're making this oil. In case if you're interested to dig deeper into it, you can do that. But again, supremely effective if you're genuinely looking for baldness issue. Okay, so that's what this is effective on. Guys, I think the video is supremely long and I don't want to kind of take too much time on this. But the reason I really wanted to recommend top hair oils is because I genuinely feel a lot of us really struggle with finding the right hair oil. And some of these brilliant hair oils are not marketed well. And the ones that are marketed are actually not great. So it's very important for me to kind of share this information with you. And that's why I wanted to create this video like this. Because it just kind of came to my mind that I'm sure a lot of people must be really struggling with finding the right hair oil. So let me quickly make a video on it and share it with you. Okay. I hope you like it and I hope you found this useful. If you did,
मजा आया और मैं ये जो मजा है हिंदुस्तान के हर व्यक्ति को देना चाहता हूं.
Then you know the drill. Please like, share, subscribe. Because it helps me grow. It helps me do better. And a little bit of encouragement from you really goes a long way, guys. So love you. Bye.